Now we will talk a little about communication in the digital age. The digital age allowed the connection in works until reaching the internet, a medium that opened the borders, managing to send messages in real time, and in addition to this there are also teleconference, video recording, and a series of mechanisms available to the human being that are enhanced with various tools developed through technology, such as smartphones and laptops, just to mention a couple of examples. With the arrival of the 21st century, a range of tools is made available to all organizations that allow communication internally and most importantly with the outside. Companies today can communicate with their clients and bring them the information they require almost immediately. Managed sales give customers a remote service that allows first-class service. We have reached the point where digital communication has become an only of the market. Another element that comes to contribute to digital communication has been the creation of social networks, where not only can we communicate it, but we can also know what our clients and our competition are doing. You can monitor in real time the needs of the human being and attend to them. The leaders of the digital age have the task of creating communication skills so as not to use human sensitivity and rely on each of the tools that technology makes available to humanity. It is essential to pay attention to avoid the automation of feelings in human interaction. This is achieved by balancing the use of technology and the natural communication skill of the human being. It is our responsibility to use digital tools in a measured way and to be very aware that technology can never replace human contact, family time, and the handshake after closing a great business deal. Well, true, during this time of pandemic, digital media has enabled business continuity. The future of human communication is unpredictable. However, personally, I would expect the human being to be able to achieve a balance between consciousness and technology. It is time to present two sides of the coin of our digital age. We will present some advantage and disadvantage.